Hi, I'm Dino, the family dog. I help keep people safe, especially on the roads. Take a look at my diary to see what I did last week. Sunday. Some children really don't think. Our neighbor's boy ran in front of a car to get his ball. The car almost hit him. I saved him, so remember always look and listen. One day, walking on the street at night can be very dangerous, especially if you wear dark glasses. Car drivers can see you very well, just like these two I had to take home. Luckily, I never go out without my reflective jacket and collar. Remember, be seen. Tuesday, people can people can get very angry when driving. Usually, for silly reasons, one driver started shouting at mom. Today, when she stopped to let some children cross the road, I soon made him stop. Wednesday, one thing makes me really mad. People walking on dangerous road when they can walk on the safe pavement. I saw two girls doing that today, but I soon made them change their minds. Thursday, seatbelts can be save your life. I make sure everyone in our car wears their seatbelts. If they forget, I soon remind them. Even I've got a, if even I've got one. And Friday, I like Fridays. The roads are quieter, but you still have to be careful. I can't just talking on his mobile phone while driving. I soon stopped him too. Don't worry, he got his phone back. And Saturday, today, mom took me for a walk. One car was parked in a very dangerous place. It was right on the corner of the street. Don't worry, Tough. I've left him a message. Thank you.